Hello everyone, and today we'll speak about natural gas and how candle patterns work and some EMAs, where we use them and where we don't need to use EMAs and need to use some of part of graphic and some levels. Now I recommend to see on two red levels, and I think we need to off our EMAs. They don't work where we don't have trend, where we go in only right with some volatility but with no long or short trend. We don't use EMAs. They are useless. They are going like a straight line and we can't use them in perfect way. But I think that EMAs really good work where we have some long tendency, where we have some short tendency, and we can trade from them like a level of our historical maximums to the new minimums. I showed you this some EMAs on our last videos for the Nasdaq and for in other shares from the stock market. And now I think we don't need to use EMAs here, we need to off them and see only for levels and for the trend. From the start of the June, we are going only right, straight right, with no good volatility, like some not interesting trend. And I showed you some levels, the high level and the low level, the level of support and the level of resistance. And here I said you, if we are going higher than the level of resistance, push it up. We need to open some long for the natural gas and waiting for the levels 3.5. And the second variant, if you are going lower and push down the level of support, we need to open short and wait the level 3. And we see the second part of our scenario, and we are going lower. We have new minimums, and this graphical pattern is really work. And we have some perfect short for the natural gas, and we can use these patterns on different graphics. I think the technique analysis really works for all graphics, for the shares, for the indexes, for some natural gas, for some metals, Brent and another. And it's so good to trade for these patterns. I think we need to use different waves of analytics the market, and in some way we can use them both. In some way we need to use one of them. It's the best decision to trade and to be the best on the market. It's my analytics for the natural gas, and I recommend you to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Here I show you everyday trades, some videos where you can see how I trade, what I use, the main patterns, the main indicators. And I recommend subscribe on my Twitter, on my X. There I show you my trades in text version, different useful information, and something else. Bye bye and have a nice day.